Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review these silicone cups that I got because I just want to make some cupcakes, but I don't want them to stick on the pan, but also don't want to use like just parchment paper or grease. So these will avoid all of these things that I want to avoid. These are in a very nice and bright colors. You can see that I got purple, blue, green, fluorescent green, and yellow, orange, and pink. This is a hot pink. I really like it. And I am going to make some cupcakes with these silicone cups. You can also make maybe some jello. You can use these in the fridge, but also in your oven. They're oven safe. As long as you put them on the baking sheet for these baking with the baking cups, these will be fine.